Diamonds, uncut diamonds, can often look like ordinary stones at first glance. However, there are several simple methods you can try at home to distinguish them from other minerals. Number 1. Visual inspection. Color and shape. Rough diamonds are usually transparent, whitish, or slightly yellow-brown. They often appear as irregular crystals rather than smooth stones. Surface. The surface may look waxy or glass-like, but not shiny like polished diamonds. Number 2. Transparency test. Place the stone over a piece of paper with small text. If it is a diamond, you will not be able to read the letters clearly through it due to its high refractive index. 3. Scratch test. Diamond is the hardest natural material, 10 on the Mohs scale. Try scratching glass or metal with the stone. A real diamond will leave a noticeable mark. Note, this test may damage non-diamond stones, so use it carefully. Number 4. Fog test, breath test. Breathe onto the stone as if fogging up a mirror. Real diamonds disperse heat quickly, so the fog disappears almost instantly, within a second. Other stones will stay fogged for longer. 5. Weight and density. Diamonds are relatively lighter compared to many diamond lookalikes like zircon. Using a sensitive scale, you may notice the difference in weight. 6. Magnification, loupe test. Use a jeweler's loupe or magnifying glass. Rough diamonds usually have sharp edges, crystal-like facets, or small internal flaws, inclusions, unlike smooth glass or cubic zirconia. Number 7. Water test. Place the stone in a glass of water. Diamonds have high density and will sink quickly to the bottom. Fake stones may float or sink more slowly. Important note. These home tests provide indications only and cannot confirm authenticity with 100% certainty. To be sure, you should have the stone examined by a professional gemologist or certified laboratory